Hi there, do you want to learn Dynamix 365 plugin development at your own pace and on any device? Dynamix Academy offers Dynamix 365 plugin development tutorial for complete beginners. Learn to develop plugins in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Instructed by Abhishek Thoria, Senior Consultant at India's second largest IT giant and also an online trainer. A basic knowledge of .NET programming languages like C# or VB is recommended. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to write, compile, register and debug plugins in Dynamix 365 on your own, to solve a specific business problem. What you get with this course. If you find this course is not for you, no problem, you have 30 days money back guarantee. After subscribing this course, you will have lifetime access to it. 100% free for first 100 students. Discounted price, only $10 for students subscribing within next 6 months. What are you waiting for? Enroll now. Many students have already enrolled.